Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Kel's World. Today we are going to look at how we are going to roof our chicken house. We've already looked how we collected the materials, how we dug the foundation, how we laid the slab, how we put the first lower floor, and how we put the upper floor. And now we are going to look at how we are going to roof our house. So we are going to use iron sheets for roofing our house. And you can see that we've already bought our iron sheets and we've already started putting them up. And we're going to nail them on the trusses. You can see that they also first made the roof with the trusses where we are going to attach the iron sheets with the nails. So you can see that we roll up the iron sheets so that it's easier to pull it up to the person on top of the roof so that they can pick it up. And it's very important that you notice that we are actually standing on the floor because we put a bit of the floor of the house on top where they can stand, and so we don't have to build ladders to go up. So like you can see, there's no ladder at all attached to the house. So they just walk across the floor that we've already put and pick up the iron sheets and then nail them on the roof. But before we did that, after we put the trusses, we decided to put something called a fascia board. We needed to put a fascia board because we want to put gutters. And these gutters are that white line that you're seeing at the end of the truss, which is going to collect water. Since we're going to have such a big surface area of iron sheets, I felt that it would be such a waste of rainwater when it rains. We need to collect this water, and that's why we decided to put the fascia board and the gutters so that we can collect all the water, all the rainwater that drops on those iron sheets. So later on, we shall be seeing how we are going to build a little stand where we shall put a tank, and we are going to collect a lot of rainwater. This rainwater can be used for planting, for washing, for doing anything. So it's very good, even for irrigation. And so you can see that the person is walking right on top of the roof so that they can catch the iron sheets. And here you can see from underneath how it looks on top. You can see how much wood that they've put, because we have to have very good support for the iron sheets in case there is wind or when it rains. We don't want to lose any of them. And so you can see that this is a very strong house and very beautiful and very well built. And these people are using only their hands and a hammer to build it. So you can imagine how much work it takes. But they have done it for many years and they know how to do it. And so you can see, now we can see the house from the long side. And you can see across, this is the short side, yes. So it runs all the way downwards. It's a long house. And we're going to put a little bit of walling on the side. We're going to see that. And after that, we're going to put our chicken mesh and the wire mesh to protect the chicken from animals and all the other intruders that can come to harm them. And so you can see that our house is actually moving on very well. So there you can see that's a gutter, actually. It's a gutter they're putting, and that's an iron sheet. So they put this, and it's actually very good. So we're going to go on roofing our house until we've finished. And you're going to see a very nice roofed chicken house. And we have lots and lots of banana plantations around, which actually gives the tropical climate. So you can see that it's a very beautiful place. There you can see now that we've actually put quite a lot of it, and we're still going on. And you can see that we have lots of timber there. There we are now. You can see the house from the short side, and it's looking really beautiful. This is beautiful. You cannot imagine that we're making this for chicken. We might as well live there, but maybe it's not too strong for so many people to live up there. Anyway, you can see that it's coming out very well. And we want to do it in 3 weeks. 3 weeks, we promised you that we'll be ready with this house. And you can see for yourself. You saw the posts, you saw the timber, you saw the everything. And here we are now. We are having a house, a standing house. We're going to roof it. So please, stay around. Let's look at the house. And there we finished. We've roofed our house. Look at it. Shining, nice. It's all roofed with the gutters waiting for the rain. So our house is ready. The roof is ready. So now after this, we are going to continue putting the floor. Why we shall continue doing the floor is because it's raining. There is heavy rain right now in April, and we actually cannot do anything else other than being inside. So that's why they left the floor first to do the roof. So now they can concentrate on the inside of the house. So we're going to do the floor and finish. It's also timber. Then after that, we are going to put the wire mesh. Then after that, we are going to make the laying boxes. And then after that, we make the doors. And after that, we shall lock our house and wait until August, when it's warm enough for us to bring our chicken. It's going to be very cold after April, because then we have May, June, July, when it's very cold in this area of Kenya. It actually gets to 0 degrees at night. So we wouldn't dare to bring chicks at that time. So we're going to wait until it's warm enough in August, and that's when we will bring our chicks, when it's a bit warm and we are sure we can take care of them. But right now, let's build them a house, and it's actually almost ready. Please keep on watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and right beside the house you can see the other house that we built before for 100 chicks. We have 100 chicken living in our farm, and it's right there. I'll show you just now when it comes. We have it in one of our videos, and that house is actually just beside this one. That's where we have very big chicken that are laying eggs just now, and they are part of our farm. That's what we started with, to test how you can care for chicken. I think it's very good to first start with a small number so that you see the challenges that come with it, because there are quite a number of challenges, but once you're prepared, then there are no more called challenges. You'll make it. And so we have that chicken house somewhere on the side of the video. We'll see if we can see it. And right now we're just seeing a lot of bananas and trees and a part of our house. And let's see if we will be able to see it. And we have a lot of trees behind. That's it. That's the little house. That's the house there. You've seen it. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and please watch our next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.